Hey there, space enthusiasts! Get ready to blast off into the cosmos with us. Welcome to Spaceverse, where the universe is our playground and curiosity knows no bounds. Join us on an interstellar adventure as we dive into the depths of space, uncovering its mysteries and marvels. From the secrets of black holes to the landscapes of alien worlds, we're here to ignite your imagination and expand your cosmic horizons. With mind-blowing visuals, expert insights, and the thrill of exploration, Spaceverse is your ticket to the ultimate cosmic journey. So strap in, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on an epic voyage together into the vast unknown of Spaceverse. Scientists at NASA are actively preparing for the threat of an asteroid approaching Earth. They are refining their plans because, within a few years, a potentially hazardous space rock could come dangerously close. Apophis represents the most immediate concern among known asteroids capable of causing significant devastation, a scenario where it could potentially wipe out an entire city without difficulty. Astronauts and space scientists are intensely engaged in addressing this issue. The countdown has begun as NASA scientists focus intently on the possibility of an asteroid impact on Earth. The asteroid Apophis is anticipated to pass very near Earth in the coming years, prompting global astronomers to eagerly await this rare celestial event. Recent concerns voiced by scientists have led NASA to disclose their ongoing preparations for a potential catastrophic asteroid impact. Recent calculations indicate a 72% likelihood that an asteroid is on course to collide with Earth. In this video, we delve into why NASA scientists are suddenly alarmed about an impending asteroid impact and detail the measures they are implementing to avert this potential disaster. Efforts are underway to deploy a spacecraft in the coming weeks to months to closely observe Apophis before its close approach to Earth. Apophis, discovered on June 19, 2004, by astronomers Roy A. Tucker, David J. Tholen, and Fabrizio Bernardi, measures approximately 370 meters in diameter, about the size of 3.5 football fields. This makes it a notably large asteroid capable of significant damage if it were to collide with Earth. On April 13, 2029, Apophis is expected to make an exceptionally close approach to Earth, coming nearer than many of our orbiting satellites. At its closest, it will be within about 310,000 kilometers of Earth's surface, roughly 1/10 the distance between Earth and the Moon. This will mark the closest encounter of an asteroid this size in recorded history and will be visible to the naked eye in certain regions, appearing as a swiftly moving point of light. Currently, Apophis travels far from Earth, orbiting the Sun, with its position continually changing due to its high speed and gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies. Scientists meticulously track Apophis using advanced telescopes and radar observations to maintain precise data on its trajectory. Initially, Apophis raised concerns upon discovery regarding a potential collision with Earth in 2029. Early calculations hinted at a small yet plausible chance of impact. Subsequent observations and refined calculations, however, have conclusively ruled out an impact in 2029. Current models indicate that Apophis will safely pass by Earth during this period. Nevertheless, its close approach offers a unique opportunity for scientists to conduct detailed studies of this asteroid, thereby advancing our understanding of similar near-Earth objects. While Apophis is projected to safely pass Earth in 2029, scientists maintain vigilant monitoring due to the possibility of its orbit being altered by Earth's gravity during the encounter, potentially affecting future approaches. A particular concern is April 13, 2036, when Apophis will make another close approach. If Apophis's orbit is significantly perturbed in 2029, its 2036 approach could pose a threat. The pressing question remains, are we adequately prepared for such an eventuality? In the event that a hazardous asteroid is identified well in advance, there exists theoretical potential to divert its path. Recently, NASA conducted a hypothetical exercise to assess global readiness against an asteroid impact. The simulation depicted an asteroid previously undetected due to its solar orbit on a collision course with Earth. Estimated a range between 60 and 800 meters in diameter, this asteroid posed a substantial regional threat, projected to strike in 2038 with a 72% probability, allowing 6 months for telescopic observations to refine details. Despite a 14-year warning, the exercise concluded humanity is presently ill-equipped to prevent such a catastrophe. Initial observations lack sufficient detail on the asteroid's size, composition, or precise trajectory. Compounding the challenge, the asteroid's trajectory would render it hidden behind the Sun for 7 critical months. The exercise underscored primary challenges in planetary defense, notably the limited capacity to redirect or disrupt asteroids at short notice. Current technologies like kinetic impactors or nuclear devices require extensive development and testing before they can be viable options. Furthermore, effective international collaboration and coordination are imperative given the global ramifications of an asteroid impact. The recent planetary defense exercise serves as a stark reminder for the global community to prioritize defenses against asteroid impacts. This exercise highlighted the real, albeit infrequent, threat posed by celestial bodies. The potential devastation from an asteroid impact could be catastrophic, making it imperative for humanity to take proactive measures to safeguard our planet. The drill emphasized the need for comprehensive preparedness, including improved tracking systems, advanced deflection technologies, and robust international cooperation. It underscored that while the threat may be rare, the consequences of inaction could be dire, and thus, prioritizing planetary defense is not just prudent but necessary for the long-term survival of our civilization. Earth encountered a significant asteroid threat just 8 years ago. On February 15, 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor, approximately the size of a 6-story building, unexpectedly fragmented over Chelyabinsk, Russia. The resulting blast, more powerful than a nuclear explosion, triggered detections as far as Antarctica, with its shockwave shattering glass and causing injuries to about 1,200 people. Some scientists suggest the meteor's brightness briefly rivaled the sun. This event reiterated the critical importance of monitoring smaller celestial bodies that could potentially endanger Earth. Drawing lessons from this incident, recent advancements have enabled the successful tracking of asteroid impacts. A recent instance involved a small asteroid over Germany, which was accurately predicted and monitored by NASA's Scout Impact Hazard Assessment System. Designated as 2024 BX1, the asteroid harmlessly disintegrated upon entering Earth's atmosphere, showcasing NASA's capability in planetary defense. This successful prediction and monitoring serve as a practical demonstration of our growing ability to detect and assess potential asteroid threats, highlighting the importance of continued investment in and development of planetary defense technologies. However, the hypothetical international planetary defense exercise highlights ongoing concerns regarding our preparedness for a genuine asteroid crisis. NASA's Planetary Defense Officer, Emeritus Lindley Johnson, emphasized from the exercise that acquiring comprehensive data on asteroid size and trajectory is crucial to mitigate uncertainties and manage potential threats effectively. His assessment underscores the ongoing necessity for extensive international collaboration in preparation to address these types of celestial hazards. And that's it. Thanks for joining us on Spaceverse today as we discuss the real threats asteroids pose to Earth and the proactive steps NASA is taking to defend against them. Remember to stay curious about the universe around us. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on space exploration and planetary defense. Until next time, keep looking up.